it's me, Miss Katinka, and today it is time for Science Tuesday, and we are gonna make slime, which is like my favorite thing to make, and I love playing with it. So let's get started. Now friends, for this slime, we are gonna use glue, baking soda, some contact solution, food coloring, and glitter. So check in the description below for all the materials that you need and the step-by-step instructions. So first, friends, we are gonna start with our glue. I have a lot of glue here, see? And we are gonna use 3/4 cups of glue. So I have one, and you're gonna pour it into this bowl. Look at all this glue. Now friends, this is what's gonna make our slime super slimy, right? So there's one. This is gonna be two, right? Two, oh yeah. And one more, three. There we go. So there's 3/4 cups of glue for our slime. Next, we're gonna use baking soda to help make our slime not so sticky, but enough to make it really stringy. So I'm gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into the glue. You dump it into the glue. Nice. Now you can start mixing that up a little bit. Make sure that it's mixed really, really well. You see how all the glue and the baking soda are stuck together? Now look, now it's super, super silky. So now we're gonna use contact solution. Friends, some of your mommies and daddies may have contact solution at home already. If you don't, you could always get it. I usually get mine at Target. It's really great. So for our contact solution, we are gonna use 1.5 teaspoons. So here's one. Right, you squirt it, and this is what helps make it not stick to your hands, right? So 1.5. Now, as you're mixing it, you could always add more contact solution if you find that it's too sticky. I usually do that at the end. So that, you get that and you mix it up. Look, and it looks a little bit watery, right, friends? Look, kind of watery. Now it's starting to come together. So now's the fun part. You could use food coloring, you could use paint. I'm using watercolor, and I'm gonna use blue because I wanna make my slime blue. So I'm gonna add a couple drops, however many you like. Let's say like 5 for me. I'm gonna put 5 drops of the blue. And look at this blue! Right, so you gotta mix the blue. Not too much because it's gonna start to get a little hard now. And then you have to add the glitter. I'm gonna use blue glitter to make my slime super, super blue and super glittery. And now, friends, you mix. You gotta mix, mix, mix. And it should start to get a little hard to mix after a while. You see, it's kind of getting stuck to the sides here. Make sure you get it all off the sides. And you keep mixing and keep mixing. Look, it's super blue. And you can see all the fun glitter in there. Make sure you get it all off the sides. Now, as you're mixing, like I said, it might get a little sticky for your hands. So you could add some more of the contact solution. I'm gonna mix it for a little bit, and then you have to mix it with your hands, right? To make sure that it works. Okay, so I see that it's a little too sticky, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more contact solution. Again, as you're doing it, you will find that if you need more or if you don't, right? So now I'm mixing and I'm mixing, and it's really hard to mix now with the spoon. So now I'm gonna use my hands. This is the fun part. Look. So I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Mix it all around, look. It's really, really slimy right now. So I'm gonna add more contact solution to make sure that it doesn't stick to my hands anymore, right? Because if it's sticking to your hands, then you can't play with it. Oh, this is so much better. Now it's coming off. And you could roll it off. Whoa. Look at all this glitter in here, friends. I'm so excited. Okay. Now, look, it's still a little too sticky, right, friends? So we'll just keep adding more until it's not so sticky. Oh, so much better. Okay. Here we go. Look, it's coming all off my fingers. Whoa. There we go. Look, now it's one big ball. Look. Look, now it's not so sticky. Now it's not sticking to my hands. And you get to play with it, right? You can play with it right away, friends, okay? You don't have to wait. But look at this. So strong, so sticky, so slimy. Look. And you can see all the glitter in there when you play with it. Look, let's get super close. You guys see all the glitter? Ooh. And there you go, friends. That's how you make slime. Now, friends, when you're done with your slime and you want to put it away, put it in a Ziploc bag and it will stay nice and squishy and you can play with it for a while, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that science experiment, science project for Tuesday. See you soon.